Hello and welcome to this Forex Preview here at XM.com. I'm Maria Pachardez and joining me is investment analyst Cristina Parthenido. We'll be discussing the UK budget, monthly GDP growth data, and the outlook for the pound. So, Cristina, Boris Johnson's government will present the UK's public finances on Wednesday under the newly appointed Chancellor at a time when the global health sector is in crisis mode. What should we be expecting?
Well, definitely the UK government will take its own measures against the virus damage, probably shifting more funds towards the national health system and reducing business rates for small and medium-sized companies which are more vulnerable to a financial meltdown. Of course, the virus caught everyone by surprise, so Mr. Johnson could be forced to set priorities regarding his ambitious promises he made during the campaign period, or in other words, he could avoid any radical changes and take more time to look at the data to confirm the damage on the economy and look more carefully on where he could spend the £100 billion investment plan he pledged, which is not expected to be announced tomorrow. Despite that, I think Mr. Johnson's will not disappoint voters at his first budget, and at this crucial period for the global economy, I think it's the perfect time for him to deliver the income tax cuts for the ones in need. What remains to be seen, however, is whether the increase on the day-on-day spending will be funded by extra borrowing, given that Conservatives wouldn't allow extra spending to be financed by additional debt, or the other option is to increase taxes, probably in the form of breaking some tax gains for the wealthiest companies, which I think is another challenging part given the falling stocks and the slowing growth forecasts.
Okay, turning now to the monthly GDP growth data for January. How important will this data be for the pound, given the budget release and the coronavirus drama? Could we see more gains in the market?
Well, not much. I mean, the data will be the first release for this year. So in other circumstances, the release could be important, but this time the data may be considered outdated as markets have already started to price in a growth slowdown for the first and also for the second quarter. Besides that, it's also highly expected that the Bank of England will deliver a 25 basis points rate cut. The data overall will probably not bring any volatility to the pound. Now about the budget, while it could appear less ambitious because of the virus constraints and the increasing cases in the country, I think Conservatives wouldn't disappoint voters under current conditions, probably providing some support to the pound. Otherwise, if they fail to do so, then the next move in the pound could be down.
Cristina, thanks so much. And thanks for joining us at XM.com.